What's up guys, Anton here, and in today's episode, I'm gonna be sharing 5 ways to make money online. To make it a little interesting, these are all going to be related to Shopify, and to make it even more interesting, these are all gonna be ways you can make money online from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, these can all be lifestyle businesses, meaning they can make you money while you do whatever you want from wherever you want. They don't take a huge injection of cash or a huge team to achieve. So let's get right into the first one, which is, I would say, the easiest entry, or the one that people might feel less intimidated by if they're just getting into making money online. And this is to become a Shopify partner. What does that mean? It means you can make money by referring people to use the Shopify platform. Now, the reason this is a good starting point is because Shopify is hands down the best e-commerce platform in the world. So if you want to refer people to use it, you know you're referring the highest quality product, and you're sending people that are going to have a great experience and they're going to be taken care of. Now, the way this works is you sign up on Shopify.com to be a partner. They give you a special link. If people click the link and they sign up, they get a free trial. After the free trial, if they want to stay with Shopify and start paying, you earn commissions. The commissions you earn will vary based on what tier or what level of Shopify service that person you referred signs up for. Now, if you're thinking, well, okay, that's easy enough to sign up, but how can I actually have people find my referral link to click? Some quick ideas would be to start a YouTube channel, and on that YouTube channel, review Shopify apps, create tutorials showing how to do different things within the Shopify platform, and in those links in the descriptions of those videos, post the link that people can go to then sign up for your trial link. In addition to that, you can start a blog, basically take your YouTube content and put it there. And if it's quality content, people will find it, they will click it, and when they sign up, you will earn commissions. Now, something else that's pretty cool about this opportunity is that there are plenty of related products and services that Shopify store owners need. And these are also products that you can promote via your distribution channels. Again, whether that be YouTube or your blog. So anything that these business owners need, you can also review, you can also create tutorials for. When people find them, they can click your links, you can earn more commissions. Great way to make money online by really tapping into the Shopify customer base and the Shopify ecosystem. The second way you can make money online with Shopify would be to become a web designer. And you might be thinking, Anton, that sounds crazy. The companies that offer web design services are well above me, leaps and bounds beyond what I'm capable of. And that probably is true, but I'm not talking about building sites for $30,000 or $50,000. I'm talking about starting with a basic skill set. So being slightly technical, knowing your way around Shopify themes, knowing your way around basic code edits. I'm talking about having an eye for design, so understanding color palettes and how things work together. I'm talking about having at least a basic understanding of conversion rate optimization so that you can build stores people will actually buy from. And if you can do that, if you can package that up and offer that as a service to new store owners, which, by the way, the most recent number I could find was that there are over 3.75 million Shopify stores that are active, and that number just continues to grow. So whether you're building a store from the ground up for somebody that just signs up for a new Shopify trial, or if you're taking somebody's basic site that maybe they messed up when they were trying to do and turning it into something that works, this is a service that you can offer as a web designer, even without too much experience. Of course, you start at low prices for that service, but the more you do it, as you build up a customer base, as you get better and better, then you can start charging more and more and making even more money online via Shopify. And you might be thinking, Anton, that sounds good, but even if I could offer this as a service at a entry-level starting price, how would I ever find people whose stores I could work on? I just listed out some ideas here, but really quick brainstorm, there are tons of Shopify Facebook groups where Shopify store owners hang out and look for support and look for help. Join them. You can go to Shopify's own forum and look for people asking for help there. You can make an account on Upwork.com and bid on jobs. Shopify has a subreddit that is extremely active. Same thing, if people want help, you can reach out and offer your services to get started. And I would even recommend going on Craigslist and posting in the services section there, because again, there are almost 4 million stores on this platform, and there are a ton of people looking for help. You could be the one that offers them the help, and that can help you to make money online. The third way to make money online with Shopify would be to be an email marketer. Again, I keep saying it, but close to 4 million stores already on Shopify, and the vast majority of them are not doing anything when it comes to email marketing, meaning they're not actively building email lists, they're definitely not actively sending promotions and content, and they're not building that relationship and making more revenue from that email list. So what you can do if you have the skills of, I would say, being an extrovert so you can reach out to a lot of people, and also if you have copywriting skills so you can write good emails, you can reach out to store owners, you can offer email marketing as a service, and the way you make money is through a couple different models you can choose. One of them would be a fixed price they pay you per email campaign that you write. Another one would be a revenue share. So if you use Klaviyo to send emails for the Shopify store, when people buy, it's going to track how much revenue comes from those emails. So you can do a % of revenue generated per promotion you write. And another way would be a mix. Fixed fee plus commission earned. Any of those work great. And again, there's a massive audience of store owners that want services like this. Now, quick tip for how you could find them. What I just said for web design applies to this as well. But in addition to that, you can use a website called builtwith.com, and it'll show you when you type in Shopify, which stores are using Shopify to power their storefront. The fourth way you can make money online with Shopify is to become a media buyer, specifically a Shopify media buyer, right? An e-commerce focused media buyer. Because with things like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and everything that entails, Bing ads, TikTok ads, and we could just keep going on and on and on and on, the vast majority of these close to 4 million stores are not even coming close to tapping into the potential of what they can get from paid traffic. So you can offer paid media as a service where you manage ad accounts for Shopify stores. The way you make money with this typically is you charge a fixed amount and then you earn a % of ad spend. And it's just a great way to help Shopify store owners make more while you earn money online as well. Again, this can be done from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Now, this one, the skill level is more advanced because I don't want anybody to do this. And this is true with, same with email marketing, but don't offer yourself as a media buyer. Don't offer that service if you're not actually good at it, if you don't have that skill set, because you're going to be spending real companies' money on ads, right? They're using their money for the ad spend. And if you can't do it, don't offer it. Unfortunately, some companies do that and they just burn bridges right away. And they're back where they were day one, a month later after burning some bridges, losing companies some money, having nothing to show with it, and looking for another opportunity. So don't be that guy or girl. And that brings us into the fifth and final method I will share for making money online with Shopify. You probably saw this one coming, but it is building a Shopify store using the dropship lifestyle model. Now, skills needed here are everything that we just covered in 1 to 4, plus a bunch more, but that is all covered in the dropship blueprint. Step by step, I lay it all out for you, so it's all learnable. Now, I will say, even though, again, 1 to 4, you definitely can do, and you'll make money doing them, my advice is if you're going to build something real online, go with model 5, build a store using the dropship lifestyle model, because what you're doing here is using all of these skill sets and you're leveraging them to have the highest potential upside, to be being able to make the most amount of money, to be building an asset, your store, that you can sell for a lot of money one day should you choose to do so. And you'll be building something that will continue to generate revenue for you over and over again, and you'll be using your skills to get the maximum return because the profit is yours if you own the store. So if you're gonna choose one, I say go with option 5. If for some reason you don't wanna do that, 1 through 4, again, are great ways to make money online in this year. You could do them from anywhere with an internet connection, and you don't need to work 40 hours a week to be successful. So as always, guys, I hope you got value from this one. If you did, leave a like, click subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and be sure to leave a comment below as well. So thank you, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.